Hey there, beauty enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the art of mascara application. And trust me, it's way more than just a simple swipe. I'm here to share some pro tips and tricks that will elevate your lash game and make your mascara work its magic. So grab your favorite mascara and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the prep work. You might think that mascara application is all about the wand, but the preparation is just as crucial. A clean canvas is key. I recommend starting with a gentle cleanse over your entire face, including the eyes. This ensures that any remaining eye makeup is removed, giving your lashes a fresh start. My go-to for this step is the Shiseido facial cotton pads, which are gentle and effective. Now, if you're using a lash curler, be careful. I suggest curling your bare lashes first to avoid any accidents. We've all seen those videos where someone accidentally loses all their lashes with a lash curler and mascara still wet. Trust me, you don't want that. So curl those lashes before you apply the magic wand. Now onto the fun part, the mascara application. The key to a flawless lash look is all about the technique. Instead of loading up on product, I recommend starting with a small amount and building up. Take the wand and scrape off any excess product. Working in thinner layers and building up the lashes is the way to go. Start from the bottom of the lashes and wiggle your way up. This technique ensures even and defined lashes. And remember, less is more. 3 to 4 coats are usually enough to achieve the desired drama and length. One common mistake I see people make is starting at the top of their lashes. While it might seem like a good idea to focus on the tips, it actually creates a top-heavy look. The secret is to start at the base and build up. This creates volume and a strong foundation for your lashes. So next time you're applying mascara, remember to start from the bottom and work your way up. Now let's talk about clumps. No one wants clumpy lashes, right? Well, the secret to avoiding clumps is simple. Work in thinner layers and use a lash comb. I find that using too much product at once causes clumps, so make sure to scrape off any excess. And if you're a fan of a separated lash look, a lash comb is your best friend. Just be careful, as they can be sharp. But don't worry, the satisfaction of defined lashes is worth it. Now, let's talk about the pumping technique. You might be in the habit of pumping your mascara brush into the tube before application. While it might seem like a good idea, it's usually unnecessary. I pump my mascara to ensure the product is evenly distributed, but if it's a new mascara, you don't need to do this. There will be plenty of product in the tube, so just dip in and apply. Lastly, let's address the issue of smudging. If you have oily skin, you might be more prone to smudging. In that case, I recommend trying a tubing mascara with more staying power. Waterproof mascara might still smudge on oily skin types, so tubing mascaras are a great alternative. They're easy to remove and stay put all day long. So there you have it. Applying mascara is an art. And with these pro tips, you'll be a lash expert in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect, and your lashes will thank you. Now, go ahead and rock those lashes with confidence.